Thank you for watching our videos. Welcome to Akakosha Language Consultancy. Today we want to talk about the nature itself. What is nature? Nature, these are items that are created by God. So in isiNdebele we want to say nature is called imvelo. Imvelo. So the tree is called isihlahla. Isihlahla. The grass, utshani. Utshani. Soil, inhlabathi. Inhlabathi. The stone, ilitshe. Ilitshe. The rock, idwala. Idwala. Water, amanzi. Amanzi. The wind, umoya. Umoya.